Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Tankerton taking a look at number 6 South Lodge Close, a very tucked away and private location with this one. This modern detached bungalow offers 2 double bedrooms, a 15-foot lounge with bifolding doors leading through to the garden. You've got the modern shower room and ensuite bathroom here as well, and you've got a 64-foot private rear garden with off-road parking, and a huge bonus, this one is offered with no forward chain. So coming through into this very stylish property, we're taking a quick look there at the shower room on the left hand side, and on the right hand side here we've got the first of the bedrooms. A beautiful dual aspect in this room with of course fitted wardrobes immediately on your right hand side as you enter the room, and plenty of space for the double bed. Opening through into the main living space here in the lounge, again a gorgeous dual aspect space, letting all of that natural light flood through and giving you plenty of access points into the garden to enjoy that space, that 64-foot private rear garden as well. Heading through from the lounge, we've got further bedrooms to go through and take a look at, but first of all, we've got this beautiful open planned kitchen and dining space. Beautiful views across the garden again, real emphasis on allowing the light into the property here, which is so important. Of course, in the kitchen itself, you can see beautifully finished with that modern aesthetic, but with a little hint of character. And you've got some fitted appliances as well as space under the counters for further white goods. Heading through and coming through a beautiful oak door there, we're going to go through and take a look at the main bedroom here. You've got 2 double bedrooms in total, this being a fantastic double with of course the ensuite bathroom just to the right hand side as well. So still plenty to go through and take a look at here at number 6 South Lodge Close. We're going to head through and take a look at the garden in just a few moments, and then it'll give us a good chance just to recap a few points on the property before ending today's video tour. So location is absolutely key with this one. You are of course within walking distance to both Whitstable and Tankerton, and of course most importantly to the seafront. This modern detached bungalow at number 6 South Lodge Close offers 2 double bedrooms, a 15-foot lounge with bifolding doors to the garden. You've got the modern shower room and ensuite bathroom with this one, and of course a beautiful kitchen dining space as well. And then externally you've got the 64-foot private rear garden and plenty of off-road parking, all offered with no forward chain. We really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.